again.
Go.
It couldn't have been
Guys.
any more telegraphed.
Guys, we have our first fan.
Oh, damn. You're going full meme.
So Trent, whenever you ulted, they all backed toward me, and I was able to get a big old fat nade on him. And if I didn't have bad aim, I would have been able to finish him off without
Steven
dying.
tried to eat it, but I murdered someone like immediately. That nano thing is sick. She ate almost my full ult, and I still like demeched her.
The only person that would lag out on our team is Iraqi, and that's because Iraqi has crappy internet.
And that's only on Friday at 8:30.
Oh shit, Blizzard World.
We pause. You wouldn't play at all.
Don't pick. They have an Ana. They're gonna pick Ana.
Don't
They're gonna pick Torb. They're gonna pick. Okay. Okay, so we're
Sadly, they
gonna
didn't say this
speed
in-
down bottom left. Speed down bottom left. That's the best way to do things.
Gotta be careful of that
Ryan,
nade.
Zarya, we go around left, and then we don't go towards coaster. We just go.
Yo,
like,
I was like, Des, we know it's Ryan Zarya
First
who
point,
plays who.
let's trip tank.
oh yeah. That's good.
Junkrat,
Let's get
Junkrat,
Junkrat, the other one.
We're just gonna avoid that high ground.
Yeah,
Dude,
we're
let's
gonna
just
speed
get on that
past it.
point and take it, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if it's smash or pass, we're passing then smashing.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Is that sexual assault?
No, that's just playing hard to get, dude.
Come on, let's bring it together.
Alright, guys. Come to the table here. Right here. Come to this table. Spray. Emote.
Best spray. Second best spray.
What's the best spray?
Mayhem.
Pixel Lucio? Oh,
No, mayhem.
I sit on your spray.
that's fun.
I would sit on a field spray, but I don't want to touch that.
Hey, guys. Hello,
It
fellas.
almost looks like I'm sitting in the chair.
The only thing a fuel spray is good for is to wipe your ass.
Yo, you want to get broke? Yeah. Bam. Yo, I
But that would
see
leave
your
some
face on the
burns. That's
camera.
how I get it, because it's like flames. It's like fuel, but it has a flame symbol. Okay, let's do this.
Haha. Nah, sarcastic.
Left. Iraqi. Dude.
I'm a retard, okay?
Watch the anonade. Careful the anonade.
Okay, we're all here. We're all get in here. Get over here. Get up here. Okay, speeding. Go left.
Yo, Slumber missed the hack on me. He got the junk.
Okay, on point. Okay, what's up front? Someone hurt.
Careful,
Soldier one. Nice.
No, it's a
Get behind me.
What the fuck?
Nice.
Yo,
Good
you
take.
you still got multiples over on our side.
Speeding into them. Nice. Let's go back on point.
Let me heal you, Hog.
Yo,
Yeah, don't heal
that
yourself,
was the
don't heal yourself.
fastest cap I've ever seen.
Should we switch? Should we switch?
Almost.
Yeah,
Where's
Iraqi.
the spawn room at?
It's right there. You're right there. Go. I'm gonna take
know what
it.
we should
Yeah, go soldier. Go soldier. It's probably good.
Okay.
They're behind. Someone
Ryan
behind.
shield up front with McCree.
Somber bitch.
Burn shield.
Just gotta right click everywhere.
On up front.
Junk soldier should win this.
Yeah,
kill
Somber's
battle.
still on our left.
Someone's still left.
Number one. Okay, that's pick. Pushing in. Ryan, get
Yields
Ryan.
are sitting on the point here.
Get Junkrat. Oh my gosh,
Hit
McCree.
McCree, hit McCree.
Nice. Get Zarya.
I'm hitting Zen right now.
never
Get Zen. Zen one. Nice.
Anna's one too.
That's the MP.
Hit her.
What
hit her,
an
hit her.
EMP? Oh, shite.
Easy
Good
catch,
job.
dude.
Good job.
No, I'm the only one that died.
Stagger. They're gonna
Get in there,
spawn.
Icy. Get in there, Icy.
See where they changed to. They're definitely getting off. So.
I'm with you.
Yeah, they're
They
definitely
got
not
junk.
killing
They got
Somber.
junk.
I'm
I
gonna have
was
to play
barrier.
Blizzard World past this point.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Dang.
Maybe on PTR actually. Maybe.
I have coalescence.
Ryan's half
No,
already.
Hit that Ryan, hit that Ryan. Break that
Oh,
shield, break that
I
shield.
got
Yeah,
burst.
get McCree.
I'm down. Moira down. Moira's down.
You've got extra heals by the point here. By
Oh
the
no.
point.
My shield's almost gone.
I'm about to have
Good
my
body block. That's your trans?
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
I'm coming
it's a
back.
world right now. Yeah. Just let him blow it. Let him blow it. Let him blow it. All right, cool. We're gonna spawn pretty damn close here.
They're gonna have
Wait, guys, I have an idea.
grab nano.
Cam that boot.
Yeah, I know it was a pretty dumb boot, but you didn't know though.
What if I flank behind them on the left and hit him with a herb shatter from behind?
Nah,
It'd be hilarious, but probably won't work.
Oh, I wanted to try it at least.
If he wants to.
Oh, okay, don't go, no.
Well, I can't try it
Fall
because I
back
have to
with
beat your shield.
Fall back. We have to wait respawn. I have no juice.
Saya
I'll
is full and
taxi.
she has grab. Saya has grab, guys.
Drug it on point. Sorry, pretty high charge. Alt. It's up front.
Oh, whoops.
I use free ult.
Yeah, I was just like, I'm just gonna die as quick as I can here.
I'm going Ana.
Sure.
Since we're death ball.
Oh,
come on.
Don't be in front of the shield.
Just fall back.
I
Just
see.
fall
Yes.
back.
Just keep a tank in front
Let's
of
just
you.
get behind the
You don't
wall
have
right
to
here. We
tank
don't have to be there.
That gives him a backboard to blow up bombs on. We could speed boost right. Go around.
Yeah, when we
Yo,
just
you
hit him
know
from
what this
behind.
is.
okay.
Or left.
Destiny, get over here. Destiny, get over here.
I can't.
That's
I see. Don't you dare get picked.
I'm gonna
Why don't we
try.
just hit him from behind?
Alright, let's do it. Let's do
Okay.
it.
Speeding now. Oh shoot, he's spamming. Okay.
Go far left, far left.
Let's go, let's go.
No, come on.
Big purple.
Fuck my line.
Round one.
Anna has no purple. Anna has no purple. No sleep. No sleep.
Dead.
We're down. We're down.
Then you go
That
Destiny.
trans
I
just
guess
saved
I'll go
him
jump
from
off
it,
again.
was.
They use trans.
Dang it! I thought I could get the boot.
Damn, I believed in that too.
Oh, I'm gonna live.
Alright.
E.
God, dude.
Oh shoot! I screwed up. I almost
Reloading.
screwed that up. I'm good.
Alright, I'm going in.
Alright, let's
I have-
go. Let's go. I have grab.
Blake,
Speeding now.
go.
Gizan.
Grab.
Nice.
I got
Anna left. Anna weak. Got her.
Nice.
I have nano. Do you have visor or
They
blades?
probably
here?
have shatter. I'd watch out for
She's
that.
right.
Do you have blade almost soon?
You ready for the shatter?
No, he's not even. Wait, what?
Junks down. No more spam from him. Yo, I'm glad she fucking grabbed us behind the point.
Sorry, one.
So sorry, half.
McCree's down too.
Shoot. Sorry, I slept. My bad. I screwed that up. There's one.
Ryan.
Hop on.
push it,
Get around.
below. Run. Do you want to for mercy?
Really? How did you?
Yeah. Hey, wanna pharmacy?
I'm not winning that shield battle. I'm gonna go like. I'm gonna do.
Yo, we
hog,
go in.
actually.
We go around the right.
Oh, that sorry is gonna be so charged though.
I'm not winning that shield battle at all.
Traitors up front.
Come right here, dudes. Come on. We can go straight to the point.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Why fight the long way again?
Sinya is behind from them.
Beating
Yeah,
up.
run. Be careful.
Speed.
Trace is on me.
Go. That's your trans. Get McCree.
I did. I'll run.
I try to get to Cam for the heals.
Trace no recall. Tracer
you.
recalled my melee. Alright.
I can get barrage fast.
What?
I didn't see anything previous to that.
Do I need to switch around?
That's the point.
Yeah,
Okay,
dude.
okay.
I see. I see.
Yeah, I'm coming back. I'm
30
coming back.
seconds.
Sense that.
Speeding, get Zarya, she's out. Shoot, how'd that give me?
Nice.
Oh, big save. Get around. Trace is behind on cart. Big. Yeah. I know people.
Damn, dude. That Tracer is just deadly.
Oh, I almost killed the Moira.
Nice save, anyways.
Yo, Icy. On that third point on offense, I want you
What?
to always be Junkrat on that third point when we're attacking it. There's so much room for you to work. You will get behind them and have free reign. I just suck as Junkrat and I still went off.
Or tap. I need heal switch.
Nice guy.
Let's do this.
Damn it! Took my.
Whoa, there we go. So are we gonna do a bunker up top like they did? Typical plan.
I don't know. That's your call.
I don't really know how you would effectively dive, so I'd probably just say let's do this.
What,
It's kinda
bunker?
weird. Yeah, I mean I don't really know how you dive. It's
Yo.
kinda weird. Yeah.
Let's just hold by the point, like there's high ground right above point, right?
Yeah, like
Like
up
to
right
the-
here.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like
I put the shield
The-
like right out here or something.
the push right side is
Yeah,
just
you're
stupid.
watching the enemy team right now. You go turn your monitor the other way.
Okay, remember there's a mini behind us, I believe. Mini under us. I thought we were holding high, or else I would have went Moira. High,
Watch you couldn't,
high left.
Scooter left because
I hate
for some
my
reason
guy.
he was expecting
No
the
matter
other
which
team
way
right
they
now, so
come
he
and
left.
attack, we can hold it.
Because he switched the teams.
I didn't.
Oh yeah.
But it's no big deal. I'm gonna go
Oh, they are coming from the same place we came the other time.
That's fine. That's fine. That's
Yeah.
fine. That's where we're
They have
set
dive
up.
tanks.
Ryan's Discord.
No, Dad, thanks.
Ryan. Oh, big.
McCree's down. I need heals
Just
behind.
Sorry,
gonna
just
focus,
wait.
just
Yo, you guys
I'm
gotta
moving
get
down
on
so they
that
don't
pump
get a
too.
tick. Junk one.
Sorry. Behind. Sorry.
Moira's
Behind.
down.
Oh,
Moira's
sleep
sleeping.
charge.
So guys,
Woo!
Good strats.
I'm on the way back right now.
Guys, I have 7 hero damage.
They have a Lucio though, so expect them to be there before
only
we
your
get back.
sleep dart.
That was a,
on
that was a,
me.
that was a discorded sleep dart.
Yo, Des. When they hop on the point, I kind of want you to just like hop on them. You know,
They're coming from left, I
Survive the
think.
most.
Freeze up top on
Alright, I
coaster.
got you.
He's Discord.
That way they don't grab free ticks while we're.
They can
They're
go
gonna
around.
to the-
Alright.
They're going either around us or to the bottom door.
Freeze still.
I'm moving the
Yeah,
shields
coaster.
right here.
No, they are mid.
Nah, they're
Mid,
just
mid,
dropping
mid.
down, dude.
Okay, Discord.
Yeah,
Okay,
drop
Discord.
down.
I think they're going all. Yeah, they're going all the way around.
That's fine. We
Go
still
back
have high
in.
ground no matter where they come from.
Yeah. I know. I'm just saying.
Here it is.
Sorry, Discord. Sorry, no personal bubble. Reinhardt, Discord. He's coming up the stairs. Sorry, Discord. Sorry, one. Nice. Reinhardt on
Behind,
point.
Line one.
Okay, I mean McCree. What is all these saying Junkrat from
Oh my
McCree?
God, you're
What the heck? I have a chance.
And I would have been able to
Mana.
pull that Lucio back if the McCree didn't stun me.
They have a Winston
I
now.
really like this spot.
Yeah, they're full. They're dive. They're Winston.
Are they just gonna actually bring the fight to us this time?
Yeah, they have
That's what
a
I
grab
think.
then because they're not
Um,
switching off the whatever her name is.
Yo, dude.
Sorry.
I'm on a boat.
Yeah, they definitely have grav.
I'm on a
I have
fucking
transfer.
Oh my god, you're
They're
actually.
rocking Genji. Left.
Winston jumping in.
I'm healing.
Run, boys!
Run!
Good moves, dude. Lucio's all
Good
alone
dude,
over here
yeah,
trying to
shield.
challenge me.
Lucio Discord. Nice.
Oh my god.
Junkrat.
One
The
touch.
Zarya gave up. Like, nah, fam.
They're still keeping her, so she's got to be close to grab by now.
Yeah.
I think she
think-
had
I mean,
last
no.
fight.
We have to have a little bit better of a plan when a Junkrat tire happens. We all scattered instantly.
Dude, that is the plan.
That's like. There's not much you can do
it's-
about
yeah,
that.
it's just the ult, you know.
That was the best thing we could have done. We heard tired.
You
We all
gotta hope
fucking
that
did it.
somebody's gonna pop
I think
off.
it's-
And
Yeah,
Can
I
I
just
get
ulted it.
Just pray you're not the one that gets
just
Can I
going
get
around.
Can I
Guys
get
are gonna
orb?
be behind us.
Here they come. Winston on the right with Zarya. Lucio as
Yeah,
well.
grab.
Tracer's
Got
down.
last.
Tracer's down.
Can I get orb?
All left.
No. I died.
Genji's
Oh,
one, Genji's one,
Genji's
Genji's
solo.
Where
Watch
Discord
out for
down low.
grab.
Where,
I'm
where,
not
where?
giving it a tick. I need help on point.
Winston.
I'm
Dang it.
All right, this is where the danger is. I'm at
There's
7
three.
HP. You guys are fine. Get that Genji.
I'm down.
Even though he goes-
Let me know when you're in between rounds. I got a question.
Yeah, that's lost. But hey, that's the best hold I've ever seen on Blizzard World.
You want to go back to Winston?
At this point. Yeah, we should just go dive in.
Oof.
Hold the high ground like right around here and then just dive into them.
Pretty much just counter dive him.
I'm gonna get close to Blade.
Yo, right here,
Wait.
bridge.
Close to what?
Yeah, it's bridge right here.
They don't have a shield, so but they don't really have anything like
They
snipey.
switched to Diva. Genji right side. He reflected my orb, that bastard. Yeah, both tanks are
Did you just go
Winston,
to front?
right?
Here comes
Genji's
Winston.
going
Get ready
right.
for him.
Winston, no jump. Drop.
Here they come. We got a lot of them on the right.
Flankers up top. Genji's Discord.
Genji
drop.
one.
Nice.
Genji dead.
Winston Discord. He dropped. Go ahead.
All right, no more ults. No more. I mean, we don't have any more.
That was-
Don't use them if you
Outside,
have them.
We don't have anymore.
Help me, monkey. Ah!
Oh, monkey solo.
That's really dangerous. I see stuff.
Yes.
Oh wow, I sent that orb to the moon.
Out, boys.
Tracer Discord on payload.
Oh my god, I Rocky, you just
Nice.
turned me.
Get these guys.
Genji no dash. Moira Discorded.
You deserve to be scared, dude.
Wow, thanks. Ooh, somebody got trapped.
Get spooked by spaghetti.
Yes.
Spaghetti.
Somebody a touch on my spaghetti.
When I got touched
What's up,
by
top?
mine
Has no bubble?
and spaghetti in the same game.
Diva Discord. Moira.
Moira
Diva,
one.
Diva. Lay out.
Moira down,
Holy.
Moira down, Moira down.
Drop.
Moira
Everyone
down.
drop. Everyone drop.
All right.
Ah!
Winston Discord. Get Winston. He's one.
Dead.
Tracer. On the pillar. Tracer front. Tracer front. Nice. Take that high ground again.
All right. Yep. I'm going back. It's actually quite a walk to get there, isn't it?
Wait,
Yeah.
I got here in like 2 seconds.
You can go
Oh, there's a
upside.
way up there
That-
too.
Yeah, you can go inside. Come
Yeah,
on,
let's
you
go
know your
back,
maps.
Here they come on the right.
Oh please
I think they're just
die.
gonna dive us.
Moira's Discord.
Let them
Winston no
die.
jump.
Winston,
Diva,
let's step
nice.
up.
30 seconds remaining.
Baby, Discord on the street.
Moira's down.
Get raped again.
Fuck it, dude.
Bullied.
That
Lucio.
orb! Oh my gosh, I hate Moira. Okay.
Actually, the anti-mirror, oh my god.
It's a good thing this map is stupid defensive sided.
Yep.
Dude, we did all of this shit really fast. We just got stuck
Trace
on
on
the
left.
third
Trace on
one.
payload.
Yeah, we did really good in this map.
Overtime.
He put one in our mech. Never mind, he's half.
Almost back.
Did you see that, Icy?
Oh
Of
nice.
course, I trapped.
I'm
Nah,
up
nah,
front.
nah, nah, nah.
Winston no bubble.
No, I died.
Winston
Run,
And
Discord.
I have
run!
fire again.
Winston no jump on point.
McCree's one. Never mind.
Just
he's back.
Run! You have to run.
Yeah, fall back.
I
We
have
can hold him at
trance,
the point.
I have
We can hold him at the point.
And I have to fire.
Run!
No. You. Silly goose.
We get one contest of this. Let's go.
Yeah, he was
Oh, I'm about to be fucked, aren't I?
Iraqi, what are you?
Everything
Oh no, we threw.
Oh yeah.
Go!
Oh, we did.
No!
They already touched. They already made it.
Why didn't anyone?
No, they
touch,
didn't.
though?
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did.
Yeah,
Look,
they-
it's red.
Oh, never
They
mind.
did. They got more time.
Lame.
Listen.
Why
Hold
are we
on.
not able to touch there?
We're backing off because we thought they.
I was
You only have a minute,
mech. I got bombed.
Don't lose your mech.
I have trans still.
I see. Go to the rest of the team. Go to the rest of the team.
Alright, once we all regroup, I say we push in on them. Get as much
Trace,
time
come
out
on,
of the
Tracer's
fight.
mom.
There's no recall.
There's no recall?
Creed Record, he's on the right. Get Diva.
McCree no flash? McCree 1 HP.
Iraqi.
Moira, just go in front.
I'm sorry, Iraqi, but
just ulted me.
Winston,
There's
behind.
Tracer.
behind.
Winston's feeding.
Getting over.
Winston 1. He'll...
Mr. Dead.
Bomb.
Don't trust that bubble.
What?
Tracer.
Lucio, just go on payload. Get Lucio.
Lucio 1 HP. Lucio dead.
Moira,
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 right.
Moira. She's one.
Holy shit!
Moira in a fed. Diva on me. Aw, hey. Oh, sorry.
10 seconds remaining.
Yo, boys, I got nothing left.
Go on, Lucio. Speed.
Icy, hold your bombs or mines. I want you to boop them off.
3 on cart.
Winston, no jump. He's out.
Winston.
Nice. Big.
Tracer
Nice.
recall.
Diva. Oh, Tracer.
Tracer one.
Okay.
Exit, guys.
Good work.
Good job.
Complete.
Alright,
Did you
Iraqi.
get fur- No, we got further. We got right to the end.
Do you have gold eliminations?
Score
Yeah.
Alright.
0.
Oh no, we reset.
Switching sides.
Well, I had
But
gold for that side.
we did
it was
get
still
farther.
like 27.
We did get
for that
further
side.
though. We got like right to the end.
Yeah.
It was very close.
All right, send
We got it
send
to the
invite
end.
back
They
to
didn't.
Skater.
So.